How to hide photos on iPhone iOS 16. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can hide photos on iPhone's iOS 16. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to hide photos on your iOS 16, currently I'm using the iOS 16, but this also works for older versions of iOS of your iPhone. It doesn't necessarily need to be iOS 16 and upwards. So what you have to do is just launch the Photos application and select the photos that you want to hide. In order to select it, just tap on the select button on the top right. Now let's say I select a multiple type of screenshots and anything that I want to hide from my default Photos app. Once I'm done selecting, all I have to do is to tap on the three dots which is at the bottom right corner. And once I do that, over here you'll find the button that says hide in this eye icon. So all you have to do is to tap on it. It will ask you for a confirmation once more. So at the bottom of the screen, just confirm the changes by tapping on the red button. And as you can see, we've successfully hidden those photos from our Photos app on our iPhone. If you want to unhide them, you can go ahead and then do that respectively as well by going to your album section. And once you go to your album, select the option called hidden and you'll be able to find those hidden photos. And that's all it takes to hide photos on iPhone's iOS 16. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.